Hey everybody, today we're going to learn Ghost Riders in the Sky on a 3-string cigar box guitar. It's fretless, so we're just going to use a slide. And of course, as always, we're going to mute behind the slide with these fingers. We're doing this tuned to G today. Low string is G, middle string is D, high string is G again, an octave higher. Now I got a little echo on there to make it sound sort of Western. Another thing I do is to make it sound Western is sort of double and triple pick the note. So on a note like this, I'll put in like, kind of keeps the rhythm of the song going, especially with a little bit of echo, with or without. So that happens a lot. I'm not going to spell it out each time because it would become very annoying, but I'm sure you catch on. Once you do it once or twice, you can pretty well do it all through the song. So this song starts out on 2nd fret on the low string, and then open middle string, and right away there's one of those picking things. Then it goes 2-3, one of those picking things again. That was open, 5, 5, 2, 5. So. Okay, then it does that again, kinda. 2 on the low string, open. That's 2-3 with a little picky thing. 5-7, a picky thing on the 7, and then 5-7. This picky thing is actually part of the melody. It's a little bit different. It's a triplet. That was on the 7 still on the middle string. Then you go over to the high string on 7, and then do the same thing backwards on the high string. 3 hits, and that was just a rundown. It was 7, 5, 3, 0, 5 here, down to 3, 3 on the middle string, that's open, 5 on the low string, and on the open. I'll play that last half for you. That's the verse. Now the chorus, the yippee-yi-yay part, starts on 3 on the middle string, it goes up to 7, then jumps over to 7 on the high string, back to 7 on the middle string, then a rundown. This rundown isn't part of the melody, but I like to put it in because it's a bit of a wait to get to the Ghost Riders in the Sky part. 5 on the low string, and then down to 3, 3 in the middle, open. And that was the Ghost Riders in the Sky part. Play that part for you real quick. And that's it. That was the verse, and that's the chorus. You just go back and forth. Have a great day. Thanks for listening.